हेलो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल प्रिपरेशन अड्डा में। तो आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सेबी ग्रेड ए 2020 से रिलेटेड कुछ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के बारे में। तो चलिए आइए हम क्वेश्चन के बारे में बात करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, शेड्यूल बैंक हैव टू बी रजिस्टर्ड विथ। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन सेबी, सेकंड ऑप्शन आरबीआई, थर्ड ऑप्शन फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज एसबीआई। तो second option RBI is the correct answer. Scheduled bank which have to be registered with RBI. Option number 2 is the right answer, RBI. Question number 2 है, which organization collect data for the unorganized sector? Which organization collect data for the unorganized sector? First option the NSSO, second option is the CSO, third option is the ASI and fourth option is the RBI. तो option number first is the right option, NSSO. Which organization collects data for the organized sector? First option is the correct answer, NSSO. Question number third is, the slope of the indifference curve represents the first option elasticity of demand for the good, second option marginal rate of substitution between the two goods, and third option is the ratio of the price to goods, and fourth option is the position of consumers equilibrium. Second option is the right option, marginal rate of substitution between two goods. The slope of indifference between curve represents the marginal rates of substitution between two goods. Option number second is the right option. Question number 4 है, question number 4 है, which average cost fall then? First is the marginal cost is less than AC annual cost, or marginal cost is greater than AC, or marginal cost is equal to AC and marginal cost is 0. Second option is the right option, MC is greater than AC. Which average cost fall then? MC is greater than AC. Question number 4 है, the innovation theory of profit was given by Professor Schumpeter, Professor J.B. Clark, Professor F.B. Hawley, or Professor Frank H. Knight. First option is the right option. Innovation theory was given by the Professor Schumpeter. First option is the right option. Who wrote the book Plant Economy for India? Who wrote the book Plant Economy for India? First option is the Mr. Vishwaseya. Second option is the Sardar Patel. Third option is the Jawaharlal Nehru, and fourth option is the Mahatma Gandhi. First option is the right option. Right answer, M. Vishwaseya. Question number third, inflation can be controlled by. First option is the surplus budget. Second option, increase in taxation, and third option is the reduction in public expenditure, and fourth option is the all of these. So here we can talk about the inflation can be controlled by. Inflation can be controlled by the surplus budget and increase in taxation and the reduction in public expenditure. So that here for both all of the answer is the right option. So that the option D is the correct answer, all of these. Next question is the fiscal deficit is. First option is the budget expenditure minus budget receipts excluding borrowings. Second option is the equal to primary deficit. Third option is the capital expenditure minus capital receipt, and fourth option is the revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt. First option is the right option. Fiscal deficit is equal to the budget expenditure minus budget receipt excluding borrowings. Then we can talk about the next question. Question is the which one of the following statement of relationship of national income Y and consumption C and the investment I in the famous model of Keynes is correct. First option is the Y is equal to C multiply I, and second option is the Y is equal to C divided by I, and third option is the Y is equal to C plus I, and fourth option is the Y is equal to C minus I. Third option is the right option, Y is equal to C plus I, means the national income is equal to the consumption plus investment. Third option is the right option. Question number 4 is the high powered money is. First is the currency with public plus cash reserve of bank. Second option is the currency with public plus demand deposit, and third option is the time deposit plus demand deposit, and fourth option is the none of the above. Here question is the high powered money. High powered money is the currency with public plus cash reserve of bank. So the first option is the right option, currency with public plus cash reserve of banks. Next question is the saving is a function of saving is the function of investment. First option is investment, second option is the export, and third option is the improvement in productivity, and fourth option is the income. So as you know, saving is a function of income. We can come in the next question. Next question is the which of the following does financial service industry consist of? Telecommunication, insurance, third is the fund management, and fourth the trust. Option number is the first and second, means the telecommunication and insurance. Option number 2 is the third option and fourth. Third is the first, second, and third option, and fourth is the second, third, and fourth option. Question is the which of the following does financial service industry consists of? The fourth option is the right option, which insurance, fund management, and the trust. So that here fourth option is the right option. Next question is the what is the meaning of financing in the financial market? First option, advising an organization to raise charity funds. Second option is the investing in the securities market. Third option is the sourcing fund, and fourth option is the converting the asset into cash. Here question is the what is the meaning of financing? So meaning of the financing is the sourcing funds in the financial market. Option number third is the right answer. The next question is the which of the following indexes is generally used as the measure to reflect changes in the price level of consumer goods and services purchased by the households? First option is the Hang Seng Index, second option is the Consumer Price Index, third option is the Producer Price Index, and fourth is the Consumer Confidence Index. Here second option is the right option, Consumer Price Index. We can come in the next question. The next question is the which of the following institution is responsible for supervising the insurers operated in Hong Kong? First option is the Insurance Authority, second option is the Insurance Industry Union, third option is the Insurance Claim Department, and fourth option is the Hong Kong Federation of Insurers. Here the first option is the right option, Insurance Authority. The next question is the term company is defined under which section of the Act? Option first the section 3rd first, option second is the section 4 second, and third option is the second section 2 fourth, and fourth option is the second section 1st third. Here is the right option is the first option, section 3rd first. The term company is identified which section of the Act? Section 3rd first. The next question is the which companies are exempted to add limited or private limited at the end of the their name. First is the private, second is the government, third is the defense, and fourth is the association not for profit. Option number fourth is the right answer, association for not for profit. The next question is the companies which are formed under a special act, those companies are called as. First is the chartered companies, second option is the statutory companies, third is the registered companies, and fourth is the none of these. Second option is the right option. Next question is the transfer of shares in case of private company is. First, prohibited, second is restricted, third option is the freely transferable, and fourth is the none of these. Transfer of share in case of private companies is restricted, so that the second option is the right option, restricted. Next question is an act ultra virus, the directors can be rectified if it is not ultra virus. Where? First option is the article, second option is the memorandum, third option is the company act, and fourth option is the none of the above. So that the here third option is the right option, company act. Next question is a company can change its name by passing. First option ordinary resolution, second option is special resolution, and third either by special resolution or by ordinary resolution, and fourth option is the none of the above. Here the third option is the right option. A company can change its name by passing either by special resolution or by ordinary resolution. Next question is a company can accept or renew deposit for a period less than 6 months if they do not exceed 10% of the aggregate of first option is paid up capital, second is free reserve, third is the paid up capital and free reserve, means the first and second option both, and the fourth option is the none of the above. Question is that the company can accept or renew deposit for a period less than 6 months if they do not exceed 10% of the aggregate. The third option is right option, the aggregate of paid up capital and free reserve. So that question option number third is the right option. Next question, the federal funds bank acceptance, commercial paper and repurchase agreement are classified as. First option is the counter instrument, second option is the long term instrument, third option is the money market instruments, and fourth is the capital market instruments. Here the third option is the right option, money market instruments. Money market instruments, option third is the right option. Next question is the service provided by financial institute as providing finance to any specific sector of economics such as real estate business are classified as. The first option is the business allocation, sector allocation, economic allocation, and the fourth option is the credit allocation. The question is the service provided by financial institution. The service provided by financial institution as providing finance to any specific sector of economy such as real estate business are classified as the credit allocation. Option number fourth is the right option, credit allocation. Next question is the participants of financial system reduce the demand for their funds if the economic growth is. Option first is the domestic market is stagnant, second option is the domestic market is not stagnant, third option is the global market is stagnant, and fourth option is the global market is not stagnant. So question is the participants of financial system reduce the demand for their funds if economic growth in. Option number first is the right option, to economic growth in domestic market is stagnant. So that here the first option is the right answer. Thank you guys, thank you friends. If you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel, Preparation Adda. Thanks.